Welcome to WebShare Academy. Today I'll show you how to set up a proxy in GoLogin anti-detect browser. Let's start. First, add a new profile from the GoLogin dashboard. Give the profile a simple name. Under Proxy tab, choose Your Proxy as the option. Now you will need to enter proxy server details. You can get 10 free proxy servers from WebShare. On the WebShare dashboard, open Proxy List. Since we want to connect to Albanian proxy server, we choose this proxy address. Back in GoLogin, we will need to enter proxy IP address, port, login username and password as shown. Click Check Proxy to make sure the connection is successful. You will get a few options to choose your connection method. You can use SOCKE S5 or HTTP. Click Create Profile to save the proxy settings and create a browser profile with proxy connection. Finally, click Run to start a new session, and that's it. If you run into any problems, let us know in the comments and we will help you.